Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today I have the UMIDIGI A7 Pro. This is a budget device by UMIDIGI. People used to UMIDIGI will recognise the boxing, packaging and the contents inside hasn't really changed that much. Here's some of the specifications at the back. It's an octa-core CPU with Android 10, 4 gigs of RAM and 128 gigabytes of internal storage. This does have a 64 gigabyte internal storage version as well. You can have 2 nano SIMs and an SD card, both at the same time. 4150 mAh battery, 6.3 inch full HD display, 2340 by 1080p. It's got a quad camera setup and it also has global bands, which is great. We have the UMIDIGI Thanks card, linked to the World Wallet, which contained manuals and a SIM tray ejector tool, a 10-watt charger, USB Type-C charging cable, and the A7 Pro. Okay, so here she is in the wonderful UMIDIGI cases that I really like. Nice quad camera setup there, fingerprint sensor there at the back. Looks very nice. And I've just turned it on accidentally, so let's take that off. It's looking a nice display there. Let's take out the case, take a closer look and peel the back off. So I've got the green colour. They do make some nice looking phones. And here we go again. Oops. Another stunning look. That does look absolutely gorgeous. A lovely green shimmer effect. So the back is also made of glass, a solid metal frame. Take you around the bottom, USB Type-C with speakers, microphone and a 3.5mm socket. Power and volume rocker. At the top it's clear, and at the side we have that SIM tray which can house 2 4G SIM cards and an SD card at the same time, which is superb. So first impressions are very nice in terms of build quality and look and design, so I'm now going to set it up. Okay guys, I'm back. Check out that psychedelic funky wallpaper. Does look really nice. The display looks crisp. The viewing angles are pretty decent as well. It's really nice. I like that. Navigation bar there at the bottom. Yeah, I like that. I've set up the fingerprint sensor, which does work. A little on the slow side, but this is a budget device. But it seems to be accurate nonetheless. Okay, so I'll take you through some of the software. Drag down from the top. This is the menu. You do have dark theme mode. Swipe over, screencast and location. Go into settings furthermore. There isn't no NFC on the device, which you probably wouldn't expect really on a budget device anyway. Smart assistant, system navigation, so you can change from gestures or to buttons. 3-finger action. Here you can switch the configuration of the buttons. And pretty standard stuff really, you come to expect. Face unlock on there as well. Dual speed, about phone. A7 Pro, 4 gigs of RAM. Internal storage as well. And there's no wireless update available yet. So in terms of applications, you do not get any bloatware. Well, there's a wireless emergency alert. I'm not entirely sure what that is, but they are pretty stock Android experience UMIDIGI smartphones anyway. So far the hardware, the design, look and software are looking pretty good. So now I think it's time to take a look at the quad camera setup and obviously the front facing camera as well. Okay, so this shot here is using the 16 megapixel primary camera on the A7 Pro, and I think that's done an excellent job. I think the colour accuracy is spot on and the detail is very good as well. Okay, so this shot was taken in portrait mode, and again the background looks very nice and defocused as it should do. The subject at the foreground is sharp and in focus. I think the overall quality is very good. So to demonstrate the ultra-wide lens on this camera, this is the standard 16 megapixel picture. I took this through the window, and then if you turn on ultra wide, that is what you're getting. And again, I think it does a tremendous job for saying how much this device actually is. There's definitely good quality there and good colour in that ultra wide photo. Okay guys, so this is the macro lens on the A7 Pro, and I must say it's done a pretty decent job. I was probably a couple of centimetres away from the camera, and yeah, I think that's captured a lot of detail there. So this is the 16 megapixel selfie camera. I don't think you can argue really with the quality. Zooming in as well, the quality there is still holding up. There's a little more redness to the face than my actual natural colour, but overall I think the picture looks pretty good. Okay, so we're now filming on the rear camera, 1080p. It's not autofocusing, but I'm going to have to tap, and there we go. So 1080p, this does have EIS enabled, because I've just turned it on in the settings. Seems to be focusing there a little bit. See it sort of refresh. And let me know what you think of the quality. That's focusing there now, it's fine. Audio quality as well. So look outside. Beautiful day out there today. Yes, so that's 1080p on the A7 Pro. Let me know what you think, guys. It can shoot in 720p as well, and below that. But that's it. Hi guys, this is the front-facing video camera on the A7 Pro. This is at 1080p, EIS enabled as well, so we should have some kind of stabilization. Again, it's made my face a little bit redder than what it actually is. This is me standing right next to the window now. Beautiful day. Let me know what you guys think of the sound quality as well, and just basic video quality really. Again, you can shoot in 720p on here as well. Thank you. This is in 1080p, although this is 4K footage on YouTube. And the display is holding up pretty well. Yeah, this looks particularly nice. Really nice that is. So they put a decent display on the A7 Pro, quite happy with that. So the audio test, the loudspeaker at the bottom. Same music as always. Like it right up. So you're definitely getting plenty of volume in there. I wouldn't say it's the most amazing sounding loudspeaker because it is lacking that bit of low end and that bit of kick in there. But for a loudspeaker for general use, I think it's fine. So guys, this pretty much wraps up my A7 Pro unboxing and quick look. It is a stunning design, it really is. Got the lovely rear glass design, nice quad camera setup there as well. I think it's a really promising budget device from UMIDIGI at the moment. Time will tell how long the battery will actually last. They do say you get long battery life on the UMIDIGI website, but I will be putting that to the test and other things as well. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you all very soon. Bye bye.